Hi guys, welcome back to Get a Brew. So today I'm going to look at siphons. So we've had a few people get in contact with us recently about some bubbles forming in the siphon tubing, and we just want to cover how to work a way around that. So we do a few different types of siphons. We have the easy start siphons from Enolandia and the flow-in siphons from Browland. So it can happen on occasion depending on how you start the pump movement of the siphon, or if the connection at the tubing would maybe become loose or not as good as sealed. So whenever you start to transfer your beer, wine or cider, whatever you're choosing to do, that you could get little bubbles showing in the tubing. So we have a look at, I'm obviously just going to siphon this back into the same bucket. Okay, so you can see here that I've lifted the siphon up above the water content that's internal, and you can see the bubbles starting to come through the tubing now, and that's something that you want to avoid, especially with like a hop forward beer, because you don't want to add oxygen into it that could then cause issues. So how do we fix that? It's really simple. So if you have a look at this siphon in particular, you can see that there's a little barb fitting, and it's molded plastic, so a little barb fitting, and then this tubing slides over the top of it. What can happen over time, or indeed if it wasn't put on correctly in the first place, or some movement has caused it, is that air can start to get in through this. So really simply, the simple solution is just cut 2 inches off here, take the bit that's been cut, drop it into some warm water, and the reason you're doing that is it's to soften the plastic. So you cut this bit off, it comes off, and then you just pop it back on, making sure that it's got a good tight grip on it. Dip it into some cold water, that will make it contract, create a good seal, and that fixes the problem you have with your siphon. So we can see there that that's actually, it's moving perfectly, there's no bubbles in it. This fix should work across all types of siphons, all types of sizes, brands, whatever. So if you have any other issues and you want us to do a quick problem solving video, get in touch. Thanks so much for watching today, and happy brewing.